buy what we need.
Yeah, right to them. Kiss me, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Yes, man.
It's your girl Maria.
The Island boy, and boy, and
boy,
girl.
And girl in the back there.
Yeah.
So guys, we're just, you know, coming with you with another little video, vlog, whatever you want to call it, for the day. Just going out to get some stuff for Ocean and some stuff for Babe as well. And we're taking you along. So come on and join us for this day. It's a bit overcast today, but you know, we're
nice
here.
Weather.
Yeah, it's nice. It's
not too hot.
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly right. So join us with another one. I wanted to say a big thank you to everyone for your lovely comments and your well wishes. Once again, I've been reading everybody's comments, and it's been a pleasure to see that, you know, we have a good group of supporters that have been with us from day one. So really good, really good encouraging words, you know, prayers and stuff as well, which is really good. Yeah, sure, you can say Wagwan.
Wagwan, almost coming back to my house.
Yeah, so that's what's up, guys. So join us for the day, and yeah, just wanted to mention all that. So thank you once again.
Yes, man.
Christmas stuff already, guys.
Yeah, so we're at Big W, you know, so we just gonna pick up a few things, not much. We'll walk around, it's busy, it's a Saturday. And look at that, all the Christmas trees already. I tell me it's Christmas already. Everybody in a Christmas spirit. What is happening?
Oh, Christmas.
So, the baby here, you
No,
know, Ocean.
So yeah, I'm looking for a baby sleeping bag thing. A friend of mine had recommended, so big up yourself, Ron. Maybe they have them at Kmart. Two-pack Jersey wraps, muslin wraps. It's a sheet pad cover. I'll go this way, and I'm gonna get water wipes because Ocean's been getting like what do you call it, like a bit of a rash on her bum because we're using like coconut oil ones. But I'm not gonna get them. I'm gonna just get water, fresh water wipes, because it's the best for, obviously it's the best for babies. So I'm gonna get that. Hey?
I want a big egg.
What do you want?
A big egg. Twins.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Baby, these are water wipes. They're water wipes. They're, yeah, but these ones come in a, these ones are just like the refillable ones, aren't they? Oh no. Yeah, we'll take those ones. Yeah. So they're like fragrance free, so like she's not gonna get rash.
They're heavy, like literally water.
They're water. Hey? Okay, alright, Island. Oh my goodness. Oh, nappies this way. Sorry, baby, this way. Should we get her some more washers? I'm still looking for what Maria was telling me. We'll go nappy section other side. Other side, my love. Are you alright pushing that? Yeah, let me push it. You concentrate on Ocean there. Okay, so maybe we just get one pack, yeah?
Scary faces.
These ones are newborns. One pack for $5. You get them. I've never tried these before. Let's give it a shot. Oh, it's Halloween almost. Look, they've even got Halloween and Christmas stuff out. That's so weird. Alright. Oh, we'll go back that way because the baby's comfortable. Okay, Island, just wait. They've got cute belt stuff, don't they? Wonder suits. Oh, this is what she was talking about, I think. Yeah, padded sleep bag. So this one's with the arms out. And it's supposed to keep them. Oh, it's supposed to keep them warm. But there's ones that you can buy that have the arms in, I believe. They're baby sleep. Yeah. They have these ones, but yeah, this would be her sort of size. 0 to 6 months.
First time seeing something like that.
She likes to sleep with her arms out too.
Yeah, she's one different.
She is. So, what do you reckon? Should we grab one or?
Yeah, we can grab one. Or if you want to look around, if you can find it.
Yeah, we might go to Kmart and have a look, see what they have there. Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at that, but I was looking at the pink one. This one here. That's a good idea, Island Boy. Yeah, maybe we'll go this one, 0 to 3.
No.
This one for Ocean?
No, I want the blue one.
Hey?
The blue one.
The blue, but that's for boys. She's not a boy.
Oh, it's a boy one.
It's a boy blue.
Mom, it's awesome because under the sea.
It's under the sea, that's why he likes it.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, how about you ask people then? What do you reckon? Do you reckon people are going to like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we'll grab it then. We'll grab it.
Okay, I'll grab it.
Yeah, grab one. We have to get this one, Island. No, this one down the bottom. This one. 0 to. Huh? Newborn. Yeah, 0 to 3 months. Here. So Island wants that one because it reminds him of Under the Sea, the ocean. Which is a good theory.
He's thinking about her, it's really good.
Yeah, it's good. Alrighty. Let's have a look here. Hmm?
Egg and a match and Lily.
Yeah, they don't really.
I need to get those.
Little sockies for her, babe, like for her age.
These stockings.
Oh, yeah, 0 to 6
Maybe
months.
rockets. Maybe rocket ones.
Hmm?
Maybe rocket.
No, this one.
More rockets.
Huh?
Rockets.
No, I mean we'll get a little sockies. No, not them ones. Cut it out.
No.
Island, cut
No.
it out.
No.
Look.
No, I don't want to get those.
That'll
get
do.
the
That'll be
rocket.
cute. Alright. Dad, do you want to go with him? He wants to get dinosaur egg.
Where do I find that?
Go show Dad, you know where they are? The toy section, go with him.
Alright, show me what you're talking about. You know it best one. Where did you find it last time?
I was looking for it, then Mom said more.
Yeah, somewhere here?
Yeah, somewhere.
Look. What's inside of it? What's that? Sonic again?
Yeah.
You don't want the dinosaur egg?
Yeah, because.
You settle with that? How many? No, one at a time, Island. One Island. You have plenty of them at home. You take one. Island, we're not doing that. One. Come on, don't be greedy. You have plenty of them at home.
I don't want to.
Okay. Understood.
When I come back, I'll get it. Sonic anyway.
Yeah, when you come back, that's how it works.
Okay.
Alright? What you find there?
So I'm just looking at like little leggings for her.
I'm going to get Christmas trees.
Little set for her. Just a sort of homestay one. Okay, I think I'm good now. Keep her warm. But it's still kind of like chill at that
Yeah, in the
time.
morning
Yeah,
sometimes.
in the morning.
Like even though it's overcast, cold.
For 3 months, yeah. No. Alright, we'll go to the Kmart and have a look there. Oh, so this is what I got. It's a click and collect, guys.
The place busy. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Self-serve. Oh, I got click and collect. No, that's you, a double pay. So that comes to $68. Alright, so we're now in Kmart. So, go look around as usual, you know what I mean? And
Buy what we need.
yeah, right to them. Kiss me, baby.
Alright,
Yeah.
so we're just looking for that. That's really warm for her.
Yeah, too warm.
So this is what it is. Oh my gosh, Island, you can't have everything. Christmas is just around the corner. Oh, it's just blankets. Okay, so I'm guessing that's what she's talking about.
Oh, I played it like the first time last night.
Maybe that.
Yep.
Give it a try. What do you reckon?
Yeah, let's try it out.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's do that.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I'd rather ones with arms. So we're in the change rooms. Parents' rooms. Nice little room with a big chair there.
It's like a king or a queen chair.
Yeah.
Go to
Check her nappy and things while we're here, just to make sure. Why did you put your bum on for? That's it, guys.
So everybody, look guys. That's no way. Oh. So now.
So her belly button dropped off this morning.
Yeah.
But I put it cut out.
Just checking it out. Right, harder. Good boy. So we're having lunch in the car, guys.
Yeah, lunchtime.
Lunchtime because we didn't go. Oh, Arling had sushi, but he didn't finish all of it. We're eating kebabs.
It's actually nice. Lamb meat.
It's not yummy. It's not nice. It's horrible.
Guys, just wanted to say thank you so much for watching today's vlog.
Yes, man.
As you know, we're just chilling like villains.
Hey, do you know what I know?
Yeah.
Almost.
Yes, almost time, guys. So thank you very much for watching us. Bye-bye.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for watching us all the times.
Yeah, good boy. Big up yourselves, everyone.
Yeah, man.
Blessings.
One love.